So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Answer the Public at AnswerThePublic.com. The link is already in the show notes. And hopefully you can check it out on whatever subject that you do for your company or for your podcast or for your YouTube channel. Go to AnswerThePublic.com, try it, plug in whatever topic you're looking for, whether it is... I'm going to do one more in thought leadership. I'm going to put in thought leadership and I'm going to push enter. And just like what happened before, it will generate some new questions that I can look at when considering what content to produce for you, because I know what people are looking for. So it can be very helpful. Whatever genre you are in, whatever genre your podcast is in, whatever genre your business is in. And that's going to let you make more ads, advertisements, content, reels, stories, posts on social, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So please utilize that tool at least once. Take a good screenshot of it. And a secondary hack, like a ninja strategy, is to do this in a incognito window. That basically hides your IP. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to go to answerthepublic.com. I'm in an incognito window. I'm going to put in thought leadership, enter, and that might help you to be able to do this more than once. So get rid of your cookies, your IP, whatever, and or spend, I think it's like $1 or $2. It's not expensive if you have to start using it. So remember, do it in an incognito window if you can. And if you know how to do that, if you can figure out how to do that, do it. And if not, at least take a screenshot of the wheel the first time you do it. It's not going to let you see all of the questions for free. But it showed me 56 out of 96 or 53 out of 96, something like that. I don't remember now. But just with one search.